Okay friends, so today is another unboxing. Here is the box that I have. Today's product is Parrot, Teleprompter, Padcaster. So let's see what is in the box. Here is the quick start guide. Then we have a cleaning kit, basically a liquid and the cloth, lint-free cloth. Then we have the Padcaster, the Parrot teleprompter box. We have the Padcaster remote. This is useful because many times when you are dictating something, the text may go ahead of you, and in that case you can just reverse it using the remote. So here is the remote. Here is the Padcaster remote. You take this out and it will turn on. And then we have this nice pouch which probably has rings for different sizes. So this basically has 37 mm, 40 mm, 43 mm, and it basically goes right up to 77 mm. Now let's look at how do we pair this particular device. So first take out the plastic tab behind the battery. I have already taken that out. Now you turn on the remote control here. Then on your app, on your Android app or iOS app, you go into the settings. You go to the settings on Android. Connected devices, Bluetooth. Basically you have to go to Bluetooth setting. In your iOS you can find the Bluetooth settings, and then you click on pair new devices. While it is on pair new devices, you press this. There is a tiny white button on the back of the remote. You press it. It requires some pointy stuff to really press it. I can use this piece of cardboard to press it. Now on your phone there will be a Bluetooth remote controller. You can click on it, it will say pairing. You can say allow access, pair, and now your phone is paired with it. Now with this paired, you can see if we run the Parrot app, there is a Parrot app. There is a Parrot app available. On that app, we can press play. You can turn it on. You can press the down key, it will go faster. You can make it slower, make it go back. So basically you can control your this thing, you can control the text using the remote, so that just in case it goes, like suppose it goes ahead, I can just press the remote, which need not be in the view of the camera, and take it back. So that's the benefit of it. If you see the text getting ahead of you, you can do that. And so that was about remote. It seems like a useful thing. So now let's see how do we connect this with the camera. So first find the ring that matches your lens. My lens is 52 mm. So I'm going to connect this. This should thread in nicely. This should nicely thread into the lens. So it gets nicely threaded in. Now you can take this Padcaster box, and this particular curve, this will fit into this. This will nicely fit in. And now you can take out this plastic cover and you can put the phone with some text in it. So if you see here, I have some text in it. Just hold this bottom down and now you can see the text rolling. Now right now the text is looking other way around because it has a mirror effect. So we have to set, if you go to the settings in the app, there is an option of mirror here, mirror mode. We just click on it and now the text will get flipped on the phone, so it will look straight to you. So now you can see the text is nicely visible, and when you are reading it, you will be looking straight into the lens. So that way people will not get a feeling that you are looking somewhere else. So let me try to put some text and record and then give you a sample of it. So now you can see we have connected this, we have put a text of Jawaharlal Nehru's speech onto that, and I am going to try to look at it and read it out. Long years ago we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time has come when we shall redeem our pledge. Not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to a life and freedom. A moment comes which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to new, when an age ends and when the soul of the nation long suppressed finds utterance. So that's about it. Now you can see whether it looks more natural looking into the lens and speaking. I like this product because there are many times, one of my YouTube channels where I read Mahabharata stories, I really have to use a teleprompter, and right now I was putting a phone on top of the camera and you can clearly make out that I am looking somewhere else. So let's see how it works out. So that was the unboxing of Parrot teleprompter. Thank you for watching, and come back and for our future videos. Please subscribe, like and share the video because that helps us. Thank you very much.